Welcome to Phone Transformer. Today, we're diving into how to fix Pinterest pictures not showing, step by step. If you find our content helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tricks. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the device settings. Step 2. Sometimes, a simple restart of your Wi-Fi connection and mobile network can do the trick. Turn off your Wi-Fi, wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Do the same with your mobile data connection. Step 3. Now, let's get into the Pinterest app itself. Tap on the app icon to open it. Step 4. Once you're in, click on your profile icon. This will usually be in the bottom right corner. Then, select the gear icon to access your account settings. Step 5. In the settings menu, find and tap on privacy and data. This section allows you to control how your data is managed within the app. Step 6. Look for the option to clear app cache. This will remove temporary files that might be causing the issue with displaying pictures. Step 7. If you've tried all the above steps and the pictures still aren't showing, it might be time to reinstall the app. When install Pinterest, then head to your Play Store to download and install it again. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.